Welcome back to you for another yummy update, friends. We are witnessing the weekend, otherwise known as the final boss of crypto. We are going to do our best not to cheat, not to panic, because I think we've actually run out of sellers, to be honest. I think we have. I'm just going to explain to you what's going on. So, friends, remember Arthur Hayes? He made this, for some reason, this interesting comment he made right before the stock market opened. He says, hey, if you're in crypto, prepare. This weekend is the final boss, my friends. He literally said that. He said, this weekend is the final boss. Actually, I'll get it right now. Right here. Here it is. This weekend, BTC faces the final boss. Are you ready, fam? So just, for some reason, just appeared. And I was like, because, friends, I don't know. I mean, I know the stock market, dude. Like, I know what that, we all know what that means. That means accelerated sell-off into Friday, the close. Bad news everywhere. The bad news accelerates. There's not one good news. It's huge. It's bad. If you look to the left on the chart, ain't no levels, bro. It's like game over here. You're like crack. What do you do? And then you pray it holds. And this is exactly what the stock market did. Look at this. 6.75% down. Bang! Right? So we knew it was like, he was like, oh, he knew it was coming. Whatever. Something bad's coming. Now it's all up to crypto and how it holds. So very proudly, the Jeets are actually gone, friends. The Jeets didn't do anything to Bitcoin. Look at it. Friends, on a normal day, a 6.75% drop on the stock market, Bitcoin should be down like down here, 72K. Bang. It should be like just destroyed. But it stayed here. Why is that? Well, the thing is, it is what it is. It doesn't want to go down. The market readjusts. You just run out of sellers. If you're looking for the reason, don't worry about the reason. You know, it is what it is. Let's just take it as it comes. So that's something we can be very proud and celebrate together. Yeah, and the response rate was very big. Bitcoin is somehow back to 84,000. Altcoins even stayed still. I really can tell you now. I think, right? You don't know. We're out of sellers, you know? So, yeah, it's kind of funny. Like all over Twitter right now, literally right now, everyone's too scared to say they're bullish. Everyone, because they don't want to jinx it. Because they're like, oh, man, it could be one of those delayed sell-off things again. Like, that's what they're scared of. And I'm just thinking, dude, if we were weak, when the hell does Bitcoin wait for the stock market to go down? Dude, we just start selling off anyway. My friends, stock market goes up, we sell off. Stock market goes up, we sell off. Stock market goes down, we turbo nuke. We've seen that so many times, and everyone would like lose their minds. I think it means the weekends have been rinsed, and that's because others BTC ratio is down 4 months in a row, same as Ethereum. So what I'll do now, I'll show you that others BTC. Look at, see, friends, it's on the 5th red month, by the way. Like, man, it's still down. Now you might wonder, why does that matter? It's because, like, here's the thing, like, you were already rinsing. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, it's been a while. Like, you're like, rinse. Like, you know, because that's the thing, friends. People, they just sell because the price is going down. So if prices are going down, it's like rinse. Shake out, wash out. Oh, no, stock market's going down. But the same people who look at the stock market to go and they were already out because the price has been going down. There's no one left. That's, you know, oh, we've run out of the sellers. Like, who's possibly left? Okay, you need S&P 500 to do a literally giga turbo nuke now. Like, you need a giga squared turbo nuke. Yeah, obviously, we can still get a dump and make everyone nervous and stuff out here. But, like, looking at it right now, maybe the month of April starts to turn in our favor. I like this little cute smile for Bitcoin. S&P 500 down 18% from the high. Bear market territory. But now I think we can finally look forward to the phase of the bull market next. What's going to be the next phase, friends? Well, I think the next phase, here we go, remember, it's crime season, baby. It's crime season. I already know it, man. The selling may go away, people are coming back. I guarantee. They're here every year. I've even heard of crypto phase, quickie phase, every single person, short-term, long-term, selling may go away. That thing comes back. So, I'm not getting out this year because I'm not happy with the euphoria. I don't even think we got euphoria. I'm still holding. This is the relatively comparable dumps of a stock market. So S&P 500 went down even lower than this, down 18%. Biden 26%, COVID 33%. But this was bear market. This was black swan. This is just self-inflicted, right? Without proper gains to give back. That's the difference. Also, remember, this is one of our All Powers charts. This is, friends, remember, you got Bitcoin's 3-month returns and then the financial conditions index. They just put like a conditions index. They probably like compute oil and like bonds and just the currency stuff together, some basic stuff out here. And they give you like just a conditions, almost like if these things are going in their directions, it's good. Kind of like if oil's going down, it like boosts the index a bit, for example. And yeah, it's pretty much just been following along. Like final conditions index, fans, has been like accelerating, and crypto's still been like not reacting. It's just a matter of time. But you just see, you don't know what the catalyst is going to be for these things to eventually turn around. Yeah, so macro, huge theme, like such an enormous movement, like minus 6.7% in the S&P, friends. That's the one that doesn't move. 2% in the S&P is huge. 3 to 4, you're in the like extreme of the deviations. 6.75, my gosh. If I remember, I think 7% was the limit breaker. Let me just check it out. I was right. It's 7%. So the first trigger 7. The second one is 13. And level 3 is 20%. So, man, just chop out, man. We got a limit break off that. Oh, man. See, man, this market. It's safe. It never does anything. Oh, it does something. Bang, turbo nuke. That's markets though, right? Take the staircase up, take the elevator down. Now, how has Pulse Chain core coins been holding up, friends? This is what they look like. Slightly green. Oh, yeah, we've got like, okay, when you got 6% down in the stock market, the fact that you're green anything, that's a win. That's a big win out here. pDAI 12, PWBTC 6%, Dick with Butt 11%, some cute coins out here, 2s and 3s out here. We got a long way to cover in these. We know we got a long way to cover. But yeah, like, man, Ethereum, fans, Ethereum's still under 2,000. What is this? What is it? Look, it just seems suspicious, man. It really does. I'm looking at ETH. I'm like, it feels like this institution. They're like, oh, I want to buy my Ethereum under 2,000. Back when it was like 3 or 4. And they're just like, they brought it back. It just feels so suspicious, man. I don't talk like that, do I? About market price and stuff. Most of the time, I'm like, it is what it is. I only joke manipulation. I'm like, yeah, it's manipulation. I joke. I know it's just supply demand stuff. But like, something about this ETH, something is nefarious. It might be to do with the CME, the spot future. I don't know. Something's nefarious. Bro, you got 55% of all the stable coins on the chain. You have an ETF. You literally have every single advantage in the world. Okay, maybe don't go up as much, but to turbo nuke 75%? Nah, man. I don't believe that for a second. And I know markets can do some wacky shit, but yeah, there's some wacky scum in markets too. Hopefully, this is the Pulse Chain price chart. Hopefully, we do the wank off pattern and we just go up. But that's hoping and coping and stuff out here. pDAI is still a couple of X's away to $1. The most important pDAI level, if you're watching pDAI level, friends, 0.6 cents, that is the key. That is party time, okay? Because that is the start of a FUD, yeah? That's like Bitcoin nuked from zombie virus at 6,400 or, yeah, 6,400. When it got back to 6,400, whoa. And then it went to like 7K. It was like, whoa. And then, but everyone was still scared it was going to nuke again. That's what Bitcoin did. Actually, let me go back and actually show you this beautiful history and period of time because you are my baby doll. Let's go look it out right here. Here we go. So I believe, here it is. So actually check it out. So I think when it started nuking on that day, it was like here, right? But yeah, that's why when it came back here, it was like, whoa, that's important. Here we go, about 7K. And then this was a watch. And then everyone just thought it was still over. You want to know what's something funny? This is where Michael Saylor started buying. He started buying here in this triangle. That's when he bought his first $250 million of Bitcoin. He bought it right here. And then we had alt season, DeFi season up here. Right, we had the turbo nuke. There was a CME gap at 9,600 right here. Everyone said we're going to close it. That's why everyone said remain bearish. Arthur Hayes gets arrested here, and then we go up. That's wild how I know. I literally know every single day here, friends. Literally every single day. Yeah, man, I could go on and on and on. And if you're curious, Anthony Scaramucci buys Bitcoin here, I think 14K. So this was wild. Anthony Scaramucci and Ivan on Tech bought their Bitcoin on this way up here. And it was funny. Ivan's timing was great. Like, he started getting it up here. Like, he started buying it as it started to break up. Yeah. And then it was really interesting, right? We know this. And then Elon Musk. Man, I know these just day by day. I really am here 18 hours a day. Ethereum is dog poop. I know I say this every single day. And if you're in Ethereum, well, bro, have a shower, okay? Because what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do when I'm looking at this? Okay, down. Bro, what is this? This is the daily ETH BTC. Down. What the hell? My gosh. This is shocking. Where is the Ethereum ETF? It's right here. My gosh, bro. This is where... Look how much we got, truck friends. This is Richard Hart bought Ethereum on the Ethereum ETF here. Bang. Look at that. Friends, this is not normal, man. This is something that's going on. It could be manipulation on Ethereum dumping, plus Michael Saylor turbo leverage buying BTC. But we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Yeah, man, we need the most epic of V reversals. All I'm saying is, look, you can do what you want. If you held Ethereum this whole way, you better not sell it on the way up. Because when this recovers, like, bro, like, I know this is artificial dog shit. I know it is. So if this starts going up, like, you don't even think about selling it, because you're just going to be giving your money away to the manipulators who are scum anyway. And also, the liquidity is thinner. So those people who've sold their positions, they can't all get it back. It's like the musical chairs with the pDAI example. The liquidity is thinner. So, yeah, not everyone will be able to buy back their position. So where to from here, friends? Well, what we've got to pretty much do is wait. Once again, wait. Go out, golly gee. This weekend is very telling. It looks like, man, Bitcoin's shrugged it off. It looks like it shrugged it off. If it can start moving up, that'll be beautiful. But yes, we are in that. Well, Arthur Hayes, this is the final boss weekend. He's like, hey, how are you going to react to this? This shocked everyone. We all thought we'd be down 100%. We're like, no way we go up. So I guess that's a bonus. And I guess we'll play it out as it comes. Like, subscribe, catch you soon.